collection.
Lego Space City. Hey guys, welcome to my Space City collection. I have 2 sets remaining to get. Welcome guys to our collection of Lego Space City sets. Let's talk about the modular space station. This is the modular space station. So I rated 4 out of 5 because it can have more modules. Because you can connect it. Then let me show you. So you can connect it. Put these pins in. And oops. There, kinda hard, but easy to move. Because to the new airlock piece, because this piece right over here makes the magic of connecting. The airlock parts are in vermilion, a new color of Lego. So the color is like between Lego red and Lego orange. Vermilion between red and orange. So remember that. It's commonly used in lots of Lego City Space sets. All the airlocks in this set are vermilion. Also, there are 8 modules as you can see here. This one is the power pod. This is the power platform. This is used to gather solar energy from the sun with solar panels. This also has an antenna to communicate like this. It also has one antenna. Also, you can do this, opening it, so you can have more broadcast. Internet, so the similar thickness to this one. That's on the rover, the space buggy, Also, this is the greenhouse food pod. It has crops, herbs, some berries, and a pumpkin. It's cool because you can open it quarter, half, fully, or full and a half. Also, this is round and it has an airlock on the bottom, not the side. You have to align it with this base on the ground. Also, this ring on the ground has 2 long golden rods that can be attached This robot included in the set has one blue eye. It has a power capsule. It also has jet boosters to push itself high into the sky, like this one does. These energy boosters and these lasers are made to introduce light to the void and also to see and to shoot lasers to enemy aliens. You can open these modules like this. This one is the science lab. It has some things including a sample of pink blob. This one is the kitchen. It has a coffee machine, a sandwich, and a water bottle. This one is the bedroom. It has a cap and a bed. It also has a stand to put the cap on. This one is the pilot section. This one is shaped differently because it is supposed to be the operator because it drags the whole space station. You can see it's different from the others. It has only one airlock instead of the others which have two. It doesn't have a cover like this at all. So that's why this is the pilot's room. And last but not least, the mining room. This is the miner's tools here, and it has a screen communication to check if bad aliens are nearby or to communicate with a space base, which I don't have yet. Another set, though. It's cool because its complexity is high, because it's very big and it includes more combinations from the airlock piece. This is the cover of the module. You can see it's white. Also, the modules are exactly almost the same size, and this was my first set. I was very surprised when I got this, and I think it's very good. You can also make a space train by using the airlocks and using the pins to connect another module. I did that before. On to the next one. Ready. This is the Space Explorer rover. This is the second set I had. It has some round, big steering wheel shaped tires which are in the new vermilion color. You can also open the lids. the window lid is the first sector. The second one is the roof. The third one is the back. This is part of the set. It is supposed to go inside this hatch on the back. Here is how it works. When it's moving, then it will send a mini rover to scan the area around it. This is a Space Explorer rover, and this is the smaller Explorer rover. Suspension with springs here. That's why it can do this. Like it's dancing. Also, it has these things which make it have the capabilities of doing this, to squash bad aliens. These cameras are to detect more resources and to detect bad aliens too. You can only put it in the back, but it still makes a shaking sound. So I rate it 4 out of 5 again, because it also has the antenna that I said from before to communicate with the set I said before. You can also move the rover by pulling the antenna. Cool, right? You can also use this as a handle. You can also move this to the direction of where the signal is going. You can also rotate the camera here, but you can't rotate this camera. It's only used for light and detecting minerals. This is for security, for going safely. This to detect bad aliens and radiation minerals that can penetrate through this shield, but the astronauts' suit are radioactive free, so they can't penetrate. So the radiation use is only for the robots, like the rover on its back. So it can only be protected while inside the rover. I like the hatch when you do this, opening the hatch and then this folds out. It's my favorite part of it. On to the next set. So this is the Space Mech. It has its toes in vermilion color, and it has a claw for a hand. For the left hand, it has a claw. For the right hand, it has a hammer. For the feet, it has very heavy weights. It has the power capsules on the back, some lights, something like a seat belt, a rotator for the hammer, so you can push and pull it, adjustable claw pincers, and a an extender that makes the claw rotate. I'm not sure if I have seen this piece before, but it kind of looks like a donut. The worker or the miner right over there, he's supposed to go in here, supposed to sit in here. And also, I think it's the smallest set I have. It also comes with this drilling robot, and also it has the same eye and capsule controls like that other one. Also, the complexity, I think it's medium. I rate it 3 out of 5 because it's only a small set and it only has one minifigure. I wanted to have more minifigures and more concept of play. Also, it's cool. Coolness factor, it's medium because, yeah, I said it's a small set. And that's it. This is the Space Shuttle. This is the next one I'm gonna view, and it's a smaller one. But let's focus on this one for now. Also, this one, it also has more detail than this. You can open this and it's very long. The pilot is the dark blue thing, the dark blue minifig. And also it has a pointed tip. It has those wings. And these are to slow down the ship when entering the atmosphere. Also, another cool thing about it is there's a hidden feature. When you press this button, the 2 power capsules down it gets a boost. My mom said it was like a squid, like this, a squid ship. Mabs, do you think it's a squid ship?
Yeah, it kind of looks like a squid.
Yeah. So, because it opens its tentacles like this, so these have those fiery things to have a boost. Cool. Lego ideas are cool. Also, it has a control panel, but I want it to flip like this, but it breaks when I do that. So I rate it 4 out of 5. So that is, so the bottom looks kind of plain except these parts right over here for the booster. I really like the design of these control panels. The blue things right here, they're so good. On to the next one. This is the Asteroid Discovery and Spaceship. this is smaller than the previous one, and it also has a crane loader, which it has also a crane that can spin and whack the rocks around. The crane can lift up very high or very low. Also, there's supposed to be the thing like a gem scanner and a gem scanner and a jackhammer, but I don't know where it is. So let's focus on this right now. So this part of the set, it has a crystal, and this crystal is being turned into power capsules because you notice they're the same color. I think they're being crushed and getting put into capsules. That's why they have the same color and stuff. But they also have the cool loading sign they have here, and the space logo, and the information about the crystal, and some more information about the capsules. That's so cool. And also, the whole space shuttle itself has here a hidden storage. It's used to purify and deliver crystals to somewhere in outer space for more research. And these are digged on asteroid surfaces. It doesn't have a booster, but it has another thing that can use its own very own glide mode, like this. Also, I like it when the cone booster, it perfectly fits the transparent orange thing. It fits. You can barely see it, but that's okay. Also, you can open this too, and it has room for, I think, 2 minifigs to be cramped though. I think that's just it. On to the last one. This is the last set I have. It's the last and newest set, the 6th set of my space collection. I built it yesterday, and one day before yesterday, and also it's the coolest set with 5 out of 5 ratings because this is a space lab. I love science and outer space, so this is my real dream Lego set. And this is not getting reviewed in many videos that I see, so good luck watching this. Unlike the modular space station, it is not blocked by that. It's not blocked by that, so because you can reach your finger out and do this. Also, another cool thing about this is you can open it. It has 4 sections: the door, the exit, the bedroom, and the science sector. And the middle of it all is the science space tree. It's freely rotatable, not stuck in place, not hard to roll. And with its rubber, its grip can be super helpful by rolling onto hard surfaces like this ceramic, I think. Yeah, it's gripped rubber, so when it doesn't get stuck like most Lego wheels without rubber. And this also doesn't get stuck because of its special design tires. Also, this, I don't know why it's hard without rubber and it still spins. Yeah, it still spins. I don't know why. And also, my mom thought these are frogs. Yeah, these are pink Lego frogs. That's weird, they used them for buds. And they have these tentacle-like things that you can rotate. It has this cap on the middle top, and you can actually secure it here, so it doesn't come off when you pull it lightly. And you can also connect this to the space station here. This is the cool section. The part of the door is decorated with Lego tiles. That's very cool. The cool design, but I rate it 5 out of 5. The only missing thing here is it should be yellow instead of gray here to make it more like a warning door, like it means it's heavy. But I still rate it a 5 out of 5. And this mini alien, mini pilot alien comes in the set too. But the big helmet piece went off, so we used this small helmet piece for my dad's extra pieces. But that's okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.